friends, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna make magic doll. Follow me. You'll need pencil, paper, a scissor, and this doll which I got from here, and color and glue. Now I will draw my dragon. You can draw any animal you like dinosaur, like snake, like baby dragon, like baby dinosaur, like baby sheep, like baby grumpysaurus. Grumpysaurus is silly. See, funny. Now let's make it. Da-da! Dragon! Guys, it's finished. I draw ground, leaf, trees, and sun, birds, and clouds. Knock knock, who's there? I am here. I'm a dragon.